Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how do you watch TikTok without an account. So it's pretty much straightforward. So all you have to do is that go to your Play Store or your App Store, your Google Store, or your App Store, and then just download TikTok. So, all right, so once you have your TikTok on your phone already downloaded, so all you have to do is just click on it. All right, if you click on it, you can see you can like easily like scroll the videos and watch TikTok. Like you don't necessarily have to log in order to watch any videos. So it's so only thing you need to log in is when you really want to comment or post something. That's when you really need an account. But other than that, you don't really need an account. For example, if I click on my profile option here, you can see that I've not logged in. So that's it. So it's pretty much straightforward and easy. You just have to download and you can straight away watch TikTok without an account. So hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video. Thank you.